download and install Python version 3.7.6. It will probably run will other version of Python, but this one is verified and tested with Finance-App. In command prompt you can check if Python is recognized by typing Python version. After installation you will probably need to add Python to path environment variables in Windows. So find location where Python was installed and add following to the path and user environment variables. Now you have to install all the necessary Python dependencies. All the required dependencies are written in manual. Restart your PC after installation. Windows sometimes try to do its own aliases for Python. So go to Settings, App Execution Aliases, and if there is App Installer for Python checked, uncheck it. Now you can install last Python dependency xlrd with pip command. After installation you are all set and you can run the Finance-App. Find the directory where Finance-App is located in your PC. Open command prompt or PowerShell in this directory and type python finance-py. Wait several seconds and your web browser should automatically open the Finance Dash app. This app is tested in Google Chrome or Brave browser, but it should run in any browser based on Chromium.